Okay, dear students, today we will learn about a new chapter. Before that, let's start a problem. चलिए हम एक प्रॉब्लम देखते हैं। मान लीजिए हमारे पास एक रेक्टेंगुलर पार्क है जिसका एरिया दिया हुआ है 300 स्क्वायर मीटर। एरिया कितना है? 300 मीटर स्क्वायर। और the length of the rectangle is one more than twice of its breadth. इसका breadth जितना है उसका लेंथ उसे 1 मीटर ज्यादा है और ब्रेड से 2 गुना। मान लीजिए इसका ब्रेड है x, लेट्स से ब्रेड इज x एंड इट्स लेंथ विल बी 2x plus 1। हमको निकालना है कि इसका लेंथ क्या है और इसका ब्रेड क्या है। टू फाइंड दिस लेट्स मेक एन इक्वेशन। we know the area of the rectangle is length into breadth. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth। यहाँ पर लेंथ कितना है? 2x plus 1। ब्रेड्थ कितना है? x। So let's put the values 2x plus 1 whole into x। और according to question it is given that इसमें दिया गया है कि एरिया ऑफ द जो एरिया रेक्टेंगल का एरिया है वो है 300 मीटर स्क्वायर। So 2x plus 1 whole into x is equal to 300। मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या कितना होगा? 2x स्क्वायर प्लस x इज इक्वल टू 300। 2x स्क्वायर प्लस x माइनस 300 इज इक्वल टू 0। नाउ वी गॉट एन इक्वेशन। ये जो इक्वेशन मिला है इसको हम बोलते हैं क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन। इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन। You all know about quadratic polynomial. In the previous chapter we have already studied about quadratic polynomial. Its general formula, what was its general formula? That is general form of quadratic polynomial. That is ax square plus bx plus c. If you compare this one to this one, exactly same up to this. When a quadratic polynomial equate with 0, then it will give you a quadratic equation. We can say it is its general formula. So today we will learn about quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. It will be our topic. It is chapter 4. Like this, there are so many other examples. Let's take another example. Suppose there are two friends, A and B. It is given that together they have A plus B, means together they have 45 marbles. Together they have 45 marbles. And said that if they lost 5 each, if they lost 5 each, then product of the remaining marbles will be 124. ऐसा दिया गया है कि ए और बी दोनों के पास 45 मार्बल्स था। अगर हम ए से 5 घटा दे और बी से 5 घटा दे तो जितना मार्बल दोनों के पास बचेगा उसके अगर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे हम तो मिलेगा 124. लेट ए हैज x marbles and b will have 45 minus x marbles, because दोनों के पास मिलके 45 मार्बल्स है। अगर ए के पास x है तो बी के पास 45 माइनस एक्स होगा। अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन ऐसा बोला गया है कि ए से 5 निकाला गया और बी से भी 5 निकाला गया, तो जो बचेगा उससे अगर हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 124 मिलेगा। 5 मार्बल घटाने के बाद ए के पास कितना बचेगा? ए के पास बचेगा x माइनस 5। बी के पास कितना बचेगा? 45 minus x minus 5, that will be 40 minus x. According to क्वेश्चन के हिसाब से क्या होगा? ये दोनों अब जो बचा है ये मार्बल, अगर उसको हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो कितना हो रहा है? 124. So according to question, x minus 5 into 40 minus x, that will give you 124. So if you multiply 40x minus x square minus 200 plus 5x is equal to 124. 40x plus 5x, that will be 45x minus x square minus 200 minus 200 minus 124. So minus 324 is equal to 0. अगर -1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो कितना हो जाएगा? एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 45x प्लस 324 is equal to 0. If you see, this is another quadratic equation. ये जो है क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस है। इस टाइप का इक्वेशन के बारे में हम इस चैप्टर में पढ़ेंगे। इसका जनरल फॉर्म क्या है? हम बोले कि जो क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल है, अगर हम उसको 0 के साथ इक्वेट करेंगे, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी इज इक्वल टू 0, ये जो है ये आपका स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म है। ये आपका स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म है। Now I think you got some idea about what is the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is the equation when it is formed by a quadratic polynomial equal to 0. अगर हम किसी quadratic polynomial को 0 के साथ इक्वेट करते हैं तो जो इक्वेशन हमको मिलता है उसको हम बोलते हैं quadratic polynomial. चलिए इसके हिस्ट्री के बारे में थोड़ा जान लेते हैं। बहुत सारे मैथमेटिशियन ने इसको पहले ट्राई किया था। ऐसे माना जाता है कि जो बेबीलोनियंस है, they were the first to derive the solutions, to find the solutions of quadratic equation. It is believed that बेबीलोनियन ने पहले इसका सॉल्यूशन खोजा था। बाद में यूक्लिड ने इसका यूक्लिड से ज्योमेट्रिकल अप्रोच, Euclid's geometrical approach to find its solution. उसके बाद यूक्लिड के बाद ब्रह्मगुप्त, एक इंडियन मैथमेटिशियन है, उसने भी ट्राई किया था। ये जो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करता है वो कुछ इस प्रकार कहते हैं, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स इज इक्वल टू सी। इस प्रकार का फॉर्मेट में जो थे वो उसको सॉल्व किए थे। उनके बाद है श्रीधराचार्य। श्रीधराचार्य he derived the quadratic formula. Later we will see what is quadratic formula, but he actually derived the quadratic formula. Then Bhaskara too. ये एक मेथड बताया था क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करने के लिए, दैट इज completing square method. Completing square method. Completing square method. उसके बाद बहुत सारे मैथमेटिशियन ने इसको ट्राई करते और डिफरेंट टाइप से क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन उसको उन्होंने सॉल्व किए थे। एक है अब्राहम बार याहानासी। ये यूरोपियन मैथमेटिशियन है जिन्होंने एक किताब लिखे थे, लिबर एम्बाडरन। In this book, he derived different types of solution for different quadratic equation. A complete solution of different types of quadratic equation. A complete solution of complete solutions of different quadratic equations. Standard form, the standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a not equal to 0, a b c belongs to r or any real number. ये इसका स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म है। Previously we have seen that one example, that is x square for example x square minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. It is in the form x square plus bx plus c. If we compare this to ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then we will get a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 2, sorry, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, and c is equal to 3. These are the coefficients. A is the coefficient of x square, minus 2 is the coefficient of x, and 3 is constant. So this is one example of a quadratic equation. Another example will see 2x square plus x minus 300 is equal to 0. That is also one example. Here, if you compare to the standard form, you will get a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 300. This is the standard form. This one is the standard form of a quadratic equation. You can also take some other examples on your own. Let's say p square minus 3p plus 11 is equal to 9m square minus 18m plus 9 is equal to 0. This is also one example of a quadratic equation. Let's know about some of its solutions. How to find the solution of this quadratic equation? We know that every equation has a solution. A polynomial, as it is a polynomial equation, we know that from the fundamental theorem of algebra, a polynomial of degree n has at most n roots or n zeros. That zeros is the polynomial of that polynomial equation. जो polynomial equation होता है उसको हम सॉल्व करेंगे, उसका जो जीरो होता है और जो सॉल्यूशन होता है जो उसका डिग्री से आइदर सेम होता है नहीं तो कम होता है. ठीक है. नंबर ऑफ रियल रूट्स ऑफ अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. Solution of a quadratic equation by using factorization. Solution of a quadratic equation by using factorization. Let's take an example. How we solve this? Suppose x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Now we want to solve this. Solve means we have to find the value of x. As its degree 2, we will get 2 zeros or 2 solutions. For that, look at this polynomial. First, you have to factorize this polynomial. Then, when you get its factor, make it 0 individually. Then that solution will be its solution. Let's factorize it. Imply that x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. If you factorize this one, the sum will be minus 5 and the product will be 6. There are such two integers are minus 2 and minus 3. X square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. When you take x common, that will be x minus 2. When you take minus 3 common, that will be x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now take x minus 2 common. In the bracket it will be x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now these are the two factors we will get. We get these are the two factors. Make each factor to 0. Make an equation each factor with 0. That is x minus 2 is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0. Imply that x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 3. We will get two solutions. These are the two solutions of that quadratic equation. These are the solutions of this quadratic equation. As it's degree 2, we will get two solutions here. There are two real solutions. Let's take another example. M square minus 2 root 6 m plus 6 equal to 0. This is one example. M square minus 2 root 6m plus 6. There are two real numbers such that their sum will be minus 2 root 6 and their product will be 6. Let's say that two integer is minus root 6 and minus root 6. So m square minus root 6m minus root 6m plus 6 is equal to 0. If you take m common, that will be m minus root 6. If you take root 6 common, that will be m minus root 6. Now, if you take common m minus root 6, then you will get m minus root 6 is equal to 0. These two are the factors. Make individual factor root to 0. M minus root 6 is equal to 0 or m minus root 6 is equal to 0. That is m is equal to root 6 or m is equal to root 6. They are two equal roots or two equal solutions. The two real roots. Here the equation has two real roots or the two real solutions. Equal solutions are there. Similarly, let's take another example. Two x square minus 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. We want to find its solution by using factorization. When we factorize it, the product will be minus 10 and the sum will be minus 3. That is minus 5 2. Minus 5 2 are the two possible integers which is satisfied to factorize this. The 2x square plus 2x minus 5x minus 5 is equal to 0. If you take 2x common, then it will be x plus 2. If you take minus 5 common, that will be x plus 1. Here it will also x plus 1, that is 0. Now if you take x plus 1 common, here will 2x minus 5 will be another factor which is equal to 0. Next, now these are the two factors, x plus 1, 2x minus 5. These are two factors here. X plus 1 is a factor and 2x minus 5 is a factor. Now we have to make 0 to each factor. For that, let x plus 1 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Imply that x is equal to minus 1 or 2x is equal to 5 or x is equal to 5 by 2. These are the two solutions. So one solution is minus 1, one solution is minus 1 and another solution is 5 by 2. Suppose, let's consider this example. There are two solutions. One is 2 and another is 2. Let the two zeros are alpha and beta. That is, for this equation, x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. For this quadratic equation, the two solutions are 2 and 3. The two solutions are 2 and 3. Let's say one is alpha is equal to 2 and another was beta 3. If you remember from the chapter polynomial, if these are the two zeros alpha and beta for this quadratic polynomial x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then sum of their roots alpha plus beta will be 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, and alpha into beta product of the zeros will be 2 into 3 is equal to 6. You can verify by using its formula also. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to -5, c is equal to 6. If you see alpha plus beta by using the formula, that is minus b by a, that is minus of -5 by 1, that is 5. If you see product of the zeros, c by a, that is 6 by 1 is equal to 6. If you check this one, and this one is correct. Yes or no? The sum of the zeros or the sum of the solutions of the quadratic equation is according to its formula. So you can verify for this one also and this one also. You can check it. Check it yourself. So this is about how we found the solution of a quadratic equation by using factorization. Check whether they are quadratic equation or not. I'll do one question for you. Let's say question number 1. That is, for question number 1, x square plus 2x is equal to x into 2x plus 3. If you see x square plus 2x is equal to 2x square plus 3x. Bring this side, that will be 3x square minus x square plus 3x minus 2x is equal to 0. Imply that x square plus x is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation because it is in the form of x square plus 3x plus c is equal to 0. This is in this form. You like this, you check for this one. And another, find the solutions of following quadratic equation by using factorization. By using factorization. Question number 1, 4x square 12x plus 9 is equal to 0. n square plus 7m plus 12 is equal to 0. n square minus 5n plus 6 is equal to 0. Do it yourself. In the next class, we will see how to find the solution of a quadratic equation by using complete square method. How to find the solution of a quadratic equation by using completing square method. For today, this much. Thank you. Thank you, students.